This is a traditional data center, and this is the future of data centers. My name is Faraz. I'm the product manager here at Vertiv for Australia and New Zealand. And what I've got with me here today is a smart cabinet. So what is a smart cabinet? A smart cabinet is a data center in a rack. Okay, so what I mean by a data center is your UPS, your monitoring, your cooling, your power distribution, all inside a full-size 42U rack. So why the smart cabinet? So the smart cabinet is a fully contained rack. You've got your hot pocket and cold pocket containments on the front and back to mimic your traditional containment. This allows for the smart cabinet to be room independent. Virtually means I can deploy this cabinet anywhere without having to worry about where the heat's going to go, because the heat gets recycled within the unit itself. The smart cabinet is very quiet, less than 50 decibels. This means I can actually put it inside any room or space without annoying other colleagues or other meeting rooms. Now, I talked about install earlier. Most important thing about install is the smart cabinet actually comes pre-wired, pre-configured and pre-installed. This means when I roll my rack in, all I need to do is provide the system a single phase power feed, charge up the cooling unit, and away I go. This means that you don't need to be too technical. You can have virtually electrical installer, your mechanical installer, wheel it in and have one of these deployed within 2 hours. Also, the smart cabinet is great in terms of portability because the entire system actually is on casters. If I had to move, if I was leasing a building and I had to pick up and leave, I could literally just unplug, put my system on casters and literally wheel my data center away. And if you need more, we've got our next size up, which is our Smart Row. So the Smart Row effectively is our larger smart cabinet. So we've got a larger cooling unit, a larger UPS, and a lot more racks.